got a 1200 motor like he had. And again, you're just showing up here, you're looking at the Walmart Freestyle Challenge. Look at this backflip, huge air, what about it? Give it up, everybody! The PNC 100 River. Amazing athlete combined with amazing equipment allows them to just like this in our tour.
So they don't fall and get hurt, huh?
Travels around the country. We do tricks like that so he doesn't want to into a backflip.
I think that's the other kind of jump.
Because I can read that way. Again, is an aftermarket jet ski. So none of these guys are running Kawasaki, Yamaha, or Diesel. These are almost all aftermarket. So this is a super free roll. That's as lightweight as it is. All the most important things for all you flyers watching are going to try it. These guys know what they're doing. Does another flat water spin into a backflip, separated poles, and now you get a good chance to look at the USA.
Finally got the advantage when you get out in front, able to pick your line, and it seemed like from there you were able to at least take a deep breath. Adam's a heck of a driver, and you know, I couldn't let him. He's younger too. I can't let that little kid beat me. So I just squeeze the throttle and hang on and hope for the best. And
it up into a sand storm. So just watch this guy. He's the best. One of the best in the country. Right here. This is Taylor.